Ako, real talk, feeling ko yung younger self ko, isipin nga, bago pa siya sumali, di siya enough. So, baka wala siyang masyado confidence. Kasi, yung struggle namin growing up as twins, palagi kami na pagkukumpara. So, lagi ako yung olats. So, at that time, baka hindi ko pa siya ma-handle na maayos. Ako, hindi ako sali kung wala siya eh. So, kaya hindi rin ako sali. Honestly, hindi. Hindi ako iikot. Bakit? Kasi, feeling ko, when we were young, we experienced so much rejection. Dahil din doon, tumibay kami. Parang, in terms of, like, accepting the reality that you won't always make it. But it's not the end. We wouldn't be who we are today in terms of handling failure and rejection if we didn't learn that important thing. So, if I had the chance to turn for my younger self, I also wouldn't at first. And then, para matutunan rin niya yung feeling. Pero, pagkatapos ng pupuntahan ko siya, sabihin ko, okay lang yan, hindi pa yan tapos, meron pa yung katuloy. Yan. Ako, feeling ko, being objective about it, no din. Pero, for a different reason. Kasi, late na kami natuto kumanta eh. Like, siguro mga 19 or 20 na talaga kami talagang kumanta-kanta. So, at that age, mga 11, 12, baka
CR lang tayo.
baka di pa kami papasa for The Voice.
The Voice Kids on GMA Pinoy TV.